So far, I've taken a 14.6% hit, but I've still outperformed TQQQ by 22.4%. Hey everyone, welcome back to $1 Million SIP, where I'm documenting my real-time journey of growing my portfolio from $0 to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. This is day 30 update, and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. But before that, a quick disclaimer. This channel serves as my personal investment journal and is not a financial advice. So always do your own research before investing. And TQQQ is a high risk ETF, and investing a large amount at once is extremely risky. So I personally follow a SIP approach with strict risk management to navigate volatility. Last Friday, both the opening price and closing price of TQQQ remained below the 12 EMA, confirming the ongoing downtrend. So as per my hybrid SIP strategy, this set my daily investment limit between $200 to $250. Next, I moved to the 5-minute time frame. TQQQ opened below the 12 EMA and the bounce back occurred around 10:30. At that moment, the price hovered in the 54-55 range, allowing me to decide on a purchase of 4 units. So I executed the trade at 54.73, investing a total of $218. The trading session began with TQQQ gapping down by 4.5%, primarily due to persistent trade war uncertainties. However, at the later part of the day, from a technical perspective, the gap filling theory played out once again. It opened at $54 but steadily climbed throughout the day. By the closing bell, TQQQ had returned to $57, the exact price where it closed on Friday. This was yet another example of how price action patterns repeat, reinforcing the reliability of technical analysis. With April 2nd, the day of Trump's reciprocal tariffs fast approaching, markets are bracing for heightened volatility. The uncertainty surrounding this event could lead to sharp swings in both directions. Now, let's take a look at today's portfolio performance. So far, my total investment stands at $67.10 with 100 units of TQQQ in my holdings. At the end of today's session, TQQQ closed at 57.30, bringing the market value of my portfolio to $57.30. My average cost per unit is currently 67.10, which means I'm sitting on a net loss of $980, translating to a 14.6% decline. Since I started this investment journey, TQQQ has dropped by 37%, but my portfolio has declined by only 14.6%. This means I have successfully outperformed TQQQ by 22.4% so far. So that wraps up day 30 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates. So if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.